All right. So, Rahul, as you might be aware, that we're gathered here to conduct your interview today,
Yes,
and
sir.
in this whole process, I'll be trying to get to know more about you. So, therefore, most of the time, you will be responding to the questions that I have. All right.
Okay,
Try
sir.
to be as honest as you possibly can, and
Okay, sir.
regarding every question, take some time and think about it in depth, and thereafter respond. I
Okay,
hope
sir.
you have whenever you feel like it, you can have go and have some water. You can also take break, whatever makes you feel comfortable. All right.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So that Rahul, I hope you've had everything sorted, and let's begin with the interview process. So Rahul, so first of all, tell me how many attempts have you given so far?
Sir, till now I have appeared for total 7 attempts, in which for in the initial 6 attempts I was screened out, and in the last attempt, means seventh attempt, I was conferenced out.
In the initial ones, you have been screened out 6 times.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and in one conference.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me what was the major problem that you were having when you got screened out 6 times? So what was the problem?
Sir, initially, sir, as I had analyzed myself, I found that I had lack of communication skills. First of all, the second of all, sir, I realized that there was inferiority complex as I was a boy from village. So when I used to, come to SSB, so I like met boys from cities and they were speaking English very fluently. So that was the second reason, sir. And third reason, which I feel, sir, that was like after class 12th when I got to appear for the SSB. So I was like a little reserved, like yes, sir, I was friendly, but I was a little reserved.
What do
So
you
these
mean
all
by
reasons.
this particular this thing? Reserved. What is the meaning of this word?
Sir, like sir, and like being friendly, but only limited to 2 or 3 persons, not going into the group, not getting engaged with the group. These.
So you mean introverted.
Yes, sir, you can say, sir, introverted, but like limiting yourself to two to three persons.
But
That is.
then this is a major cause of concern, Rahul. You have two things which I don't want. So one
Yes,
is,
sir.
tell me a little more about this inferiority complex. What was the
Sir,
problem?
it was the problem like like when I went for SSB. So there were many candidates. Some of the candidates were talking with their family members in a they were talking very fluently. Like in the initial attempts, like first or second attempt, I am telling about.
Okay.
So they used to talk very fluently, and what was actually the condition with me that I was not able to communicate in English very well. Like I used to first think in my mind and then translate it into English, and then after I used to converse.
But
So
then
this
that
was the
is
problem.
that is hesitation. How is it inferiority complex?
Sir, it was in the sense like I used to feel like I can't do that, and like I can't make it to the
Why?
SSB. So initially this
Why?
was the. Sir, because of such things, sir, which I used to see around like in the other SSB candidates. This was the major reason.
This was the major reason, and nothing else apart from this. That
No,
apart
sir.
from
Apart from
external
this,
stimulus, there was no other factor. Then why
no,
are
sir.
you terming it as inferiority complex?
Sir, because I think, sir, that this is the appropriate word for this very like this very situation
But
condition.
then that is hesitation.
Okay, sir.
What is inferiority complex then? And why
Sir,
why why do you feel you have inferiority complex?
sir, right now I don't have, sir. Like I have overcome it. Earlier, it used to be like I used to feel negative about myself while
What kind
coming
of
across.
negative feelings?
That is what, sir. Like similar to that, like I have not a better communication skill. I will not be able to make it to the SSB. I will not be able to fulfill my dreams. These also, sir.
You will not be able to fulfill your dream. So like
Yes, sir.
okay, and what other things did you think of? Like what other negative feelings did you encounter while you were in that
These
phase?
were probably these were the sir. These were the negative thoughts which I
And
got to encounter.
what used to happen when these thoughts used to come to you?
Sir, actually, sir, like when these thoughts used to come to me, like I used to think that things will get away from my hands in initial phases, sir. But like I just changed my attitude while after talking with my friends, my family members. They encouraged me. I encouraged myself,
Tell me
and
more about the feelings that you used to have all this while.
sir, these were the feelings, sir. Like I won't be able to make it. This was the, sir. This was the main feeling. And apart
And
from this, I don't think, sir, that there was any such kind of feeling.
what used to happen because of that? Because of such feelings?
Sir, there was not a great impact of such feelings, sir. I overcame it like in a gradual period of time, and I
But
didn't.
then you told
I
me that you have been conferenced out 6 times, sorry, screened out 6 times. So
Yes, sir.
definitely there was an impact.
Sir, yes, sir. I agree, sir.
Stop
That, but
contradicting.
this was,
Stop contradicting yourself, Rahul. Please,
sir.
like, think clearly.
Sir, when I like, sir, the inferiority complex which I am stating as it was like overcame in the from the very third attempt. After the very third attempt, I was able to overcome it. Like it was the like a period of 4 to 5 months.
So
Okay,
then
sir.
next, what about the next three attempts?
Sir, in the next three attempts, sir, like I practiced very well, but in like there was in the very sixth attempt. I am talking about sixth attempt. So that was my last ND attempt. So in the very last attempt, I got a little nervous because I started to overthink like this is my last attempt. I be able to make it or not? Will I be able to make it? And that's why nervousness played spoil sport in my narration, and
Hmm.
that's why I think, sir, it was nervousness due to which
Overthinking and nervousness. Okay,
yes, sir.
so what happened because of these two things, and what were the thoughts that were going through your head exactly? Like, how.
These were the thoughts, sir. Like I won't be able to, will I be able to make it? Like there was a question arises in mind, like will I be able to make it, or will not be able to make it? So this
And
was the
in that
question,
moment, what used to happen?
sir. Like I got a little nervous, and when I went inside the group discussion for group discussion and narration. So what happened? Like when I started to narrate, I started fumbling. So this was the outcome of that very thought at that
Okay.
very time.
And okay, so you fumbled, but then there is always a way out. Like, even if you fumbled while
Yes,
you're
sir.
participating in any sort of group activity or any sort of
Yes, sir.
speech, if you're giving, so even after
Yes, sir.
fumbling, it can be uh, things can be always be made better. You can always make a comeback. So why not?
Sir, I tried to do my best at that very time, sir. Like I tried to complete my story, but the nervousness, I feel, sir, that nervousness played a spoil spot, and in the group discussion also there was a chaos. Like there was a fish market which was created, and I was not able to deliver my points very well. And this was the reason, sir,
Why so?
that
Why so? Why were you not able to deliver your points?
sir, like there was.
There is always a moment of pause, a moment of silence whenever there's a fish market. So why not utilize that?
Sir, I try to speak, sir. I like utilize that opportunity, but since many students, many candidates were telling their point at that every time. So
Then
yes, sir, I would
you could have been louder than them and
definitely,
conveyed your
sir.
point.
But yes, sir, and that is what the case like which I came to realize in my seventh attempt, that I was lacking assertiveness at that very time.
Okay, so but then
So
I'm talking about loudness.
yes, sir. So, like loudness, when you want to express yourself, then assertiveness also is a reason behind that. You need to be assertive to to give your points with clarity
What
and
what
louder.
what do you understand by assertiveness?
Sir, assertiveness is a quality in which you respect your feelings, your thoughts, your thoughts and your needs in a well manner, as well as at the same time you also respect the needs of others. So,
Okay,
like maintaining
so
a
that
balance
is
between.
how is it different from empathy then?
Sir, empathy also gets included in assertiveness. Assertiveness is a very like multidimensional quality,
But then how
and
is it different? I'm asking you the question.
empathy, sir.
How is it different from assertiveness? You said being aware of your feelings and also being aware of others' feelings, right? And
Yes,
boundaries.
sir.
So, but
Yes, sir.
then what is the difference then?
Between what, sir? Like
between
I'm not getting
assertiveness
it,
and empathy.
sir.
I asked you what is assertiveness, and you gave me the definition of empathy.
No, sir. This is the this is the actual definition of assertiveness, sir. Because
Assertiveness.
yes, sir. Because I got to
Don't
you.
don't give me bullshit, Rahul.
No, sir. I
I've
beg,
also read the same literature that you have, right?
sir. I beg your pardon, sir. But yes, sir. I have studied. I did a well research over that, and I found that very definition, sir.
What was the definition? Exact definition. Repeat, please.
Sir, assertiveness is a quality in which you respect your needs as well as the needs of others.
Buddy, what you're
And
telling me is the definition of empathy.
sir, this is what, sir, I did research. Like used an app which is called, which was Intellect. So I used that app for imbibing that very quality inside me. And this was the definition, sir. And
Intellect.
yes, sir. And on the
Okay.
foundation of that very app, I practiced assertiveness.
What other things are there on this app? Intellect.
Sir, there are a number of qualities which you can practice and develop, like cooperation, procrastination. There are also criticism. These all qualities like you can overcome, like criticism, procrastination.
How does it
This
go? How does it help you overcome this particular thing?
sir, I have not practiced upon criticism quality, overcoming criticism. I have practiced upon assertiveness and cooperation. So, if you, with your permission, sir, I would like to, elaborate that.
Please go ahead.
Sir, first, this app by audio and give you material for studying, as well as it teaches you in the audio way, like what is assertiveness, how it can be developed, and it also gives example, like what are the things which you which takes away your assertiveness. Like everyone is assertive from childhood, but it's environment which takes away your assertiveness. So these all things, first it teaches,
So
then it.
what took your assertiveness away? What was the factor?
Sir, I think, sir, in my home, I was the youngest among all my brothers and sisters. In fact, I was
You're no
youngest in
more
my.
the youngest.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. I am the youngest.
You're still the youngest. Okay.
Yes, sir. Among
Yeah.
my siblings.
Mm.
However, there is another youngest member, like my niece is there. She is younger than me.
Okay. Okay. So
So,
this took it away.
no, sir. This added many my siblings used to give orders to me as their seniors. So seniors always they give order to you, and you need to follow that. So there is something separation of your own feelings, which I didn't realize at that very time that what mistake I am committing.
Give me
And
a few
also,
examples. Give me a few examples.
someone says, like my elder brother says, that bring such thing, and I am working at that every time, but since he is elder to me, I had to follow that. So there was separation of my own needs at that very time, and this is why, these gradual things, gradually it develops into non assertiveness.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I got a little distracted. Okay.
So
So give me another example of this same quality. Give me a
oh,
particular instance, like where you think you would have backtracked it when you start thinking
okay,
on such things, right? So when you go back into your memories and you try to find out
okay,
what
sir.
possible instances have been there which due to which this has happened. So give me one instance,
So can I take a moment, sir, for thinking?
please do.
Like, sir, yes, sir, I recalled it. Like when I was in class 10th. So my brother is in was in class 12th at that very time. He also used to study, I also used to study. So what used to happen at that very time, we used to live in our home. So sometimes, as groceries are required to be brought from the market, but he always he not always, but he most of the time he used to tell me that I am studying, you go. And sometimes I used to saying, but yes sir, most of the time I had to go for buying groceries, such things.
Okay, okay.
So this was
So you feel
so
this
yes
is
sir.
how
Sir,
did this impact your assertiveness? Is my question
sir,
now.
so in this very way, sir, like I was not able to, assert my needs, what my needs were. Like I wanted to study, that was my need at that very particular moment.
Hmm.
But I had to, suppress my that very need, and I had to go. So in this very way, like
Okay, so
many,
how could you have done it better?
sir, I could have done it better in a way, like Bhaiya, I would have said him at that very moment when I would have assertive, like Bhaiya, since I am also studying and I also need to focus because my exams are in next year. So I would request you that you please go
But then
take
you're
the
not
markets.
making a very convincing argument, sorry, because the exam is next year. So don't you think there is a lot of time? So you
Sir,
have a lot
next
of
year
time
means
at your hand.
sir, next year means sir, like it is a month of November or December. So obviously, sir, there will be a difference of 4 months.
Okay,
So
all right,
this
all right.
was yes, sir.
Okay, so you mentioned one more thing that you haven't worked on overcoming criticism, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
tell me, how does it impact your performance?
Sir, because sir, I don't think sir, that I felt criticism like somebody criticized me or anything, any such thing. I didn't realize that very, and I didn't realize that we had that very criticism had impacted my performance or my thinking. That's why I didn't perform, like didn't practice that very
I'm
session.
sorry, the point you're making is not clear. How did my question is,
Yes, sir.
why did you not work on overcoming criticism so far?
Criticism.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Because sir, I didn't came across criticism. Like there was not much criticism
So you're
before
saying
me,
that
and
no one criticizes you.
sir, they criticize me, sir, but I am able to handle those all things. Like
Okay.
yes, sir. What I feel that they are talking sense, I take those things, and whatever I think that they are talking that are not of my use, I just leave it out.
Mm, whatever they're talking nonsense, you just filter it out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So what nonsense things do you get in the form of criticism? Like, give me a few examples.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. Like, like since I have been, not getting a screened out on the very first day for past many attempts. So, like some of my villagers, like who are, who don't know me like clearly better. So they used to say me that he goes and comes, he goes and comes. So this was not, this was not a matter of my importance. That is what,
Okay.
sir.
Understood. Understood. So in the first three attempts, you had inferiority complex and you were reserved and introverted and right. So my question comes back to like these two qualities, bhai, we don't want in an officer, right?
Yes, sir,
Inferiority
and
complex and
definitely, sir.
introversion.
Sir, I have overcome it, sir. I
How?
have overcome it.
How?
Like sir, for talking about inferiority complex, sir, I just made myself a strong, like by the process of meditation, working hard, and at the same time, sir, I like my friends, my parents, my family members encouraged me in that very
But then
in that.
uh,
Yes, sir.
meditation is an activity which helps you focus. So how I don't get it. So if
Sir,
you भाई my point is तुम्हारे पैर में चोट लगी है तो तुम हाथ पे पट्टी थोड़ी बांधोगे.
definitely, sir,
So then
like
if you're
meditation
having
helps.
inferiority complex, then why are you
Yes,
meditating?
sir, because meditation, as you very well said, sir, like meditation helps to keep calm and focus on a particular thing, and that is what I utilized to focus on my dreams, my like my goals, what I had to do, and also how to overcome it, like inferiority complex, what are the thoughts which I have to think by in that very way, I will be able to overcome that very thought, that very like type of inferiority complex. So in that very way, sir, I
But
utilized it.
then if it was so easy, like you just start meditating and you just think over it, right? So you just choose to
Yes, sir.
ignore it. So then if things are so easy, like overcoming an inferiority complex was so easy, then wouldn't everyone have been able to do it? Don't you think? So like you just
Sir,
If you're feeling inferiority complex, you just go and sit down and do om for half an hour, and then you're good to go. Magic.
No, sir, definitely not, sir. Because apart from meditation, sir, I also worked upon my thought process. Like I thought, what are the thoughts which are like taking me away, as the thoughts which I mentioned to you earlier. So I started to replace these thoughts with positive thoughts. Like I will be able to do it definitely. Like if others can do it, definitely I will be able to do it. I utilize those all thoughts like by consistent encouragement of my parents and family members. I worked upon it and I overcome it, sir.
So it was all inside your head. You're saying that you just thought positive that I will be able to do it, and you just did it.
No, sir. As I mentioned, sir, like my parents, my family members continue to encourage me, sir. So
And with
these
their
all things add up.
encouragement, you
Yes, sir.
lost the inferiority complex. Okay, so
Definitely,
tell me,
sir.
what was the root quality at the core of your inferiority complex? What was the root quality?
That those also are like communication skills.
Hmm.
These all things related negative
Okay.
thoughts related with these all
Okay,
things.
so with the positive thinking and with your parents' encouragement, you were able
Yes,
to
sir.
uh, overcome inferiority complex, and
Yes, sir.
at whose core was weakness of your communication skill.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. These all thoughts added, but at the same time, sir, like I mentioned earlier, sir, that I also practiced upon working upon my goals. So these all things added up, sir. Like I
How
also,
exactly? You're not giving me clear answers. You're not giving me any clear answers.
sir, like
For each and every question, just try to understand what is being asked, right? So if I'm asking you something, try to
yes, sir.
understand what is the core question, okay, and then respond. I've
Okay,
been
sir. Okay,
beating
sir.
around, I've been trying to get an answer out of you for the past 2 to 3 questions, and this is the same problem is arising again and again,
Okay,
right? So
I'm
I
sorry
have to
for.
reframe it at least the same question 2 to 3 times. So
Okay,
please
I'm so sorry.
make the job easier for me.
Okay, sir. I'm so sorry for that, sir. Like, sir, as I mentioned, like I performed meditation as well as I also imbibed positive thoughts. I got encouragement from my parents, and at the same time, sir, as I mentioned, like I also started like working towards my goal in the
How
in
how
the
how are you working towards your goal?
yes, sir. In that very sense, sir, like working upon my communication skills, I started to practice. I installed app in which one person gets to talk with a stranger in English. At the same time, sir, I also took a coaching, and I also used like YouTube videos and
Okay,
all
so did you
to
take coaching
practice.
for SSB as well?
Yes, sir, I took coaching for SSB.
From where?
Sir, in 2019 May, I took the coaching from Balnoi Academy, Delhi.
Okay, so and all of these attempts were after taking coaching.
No, sir. The first four attempts were before taking coaching, and the another two attempts were after taking coaching.
So these two attempts, how did they change? And tell me before we get into that. So tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
there are I've come across a lot of YouTube videos while I keep browsing through the internet.
Yes,
So
sir.
there's always one very big jargon, as I would put it, or there's a very this thing. I should say it's a well-known fact that you should not go for coaching if you're going appear for if you're appearing for SSB, right? Because the
Yes, sir.
SSB tries to filter out coached candidates.
Yes, sir.
Despite knowing that, why did you go to coaching?
Sir, I agree with you, sir. Like there are certain kinds of facts that, like when you go for coaching, then they filter out SSB members. But sir, at the same time, sir, I realized that they try to give you a proper guidance, like in what direction you have to apply. Your energies. You must practice. Like for interview, like
So
they
you're
tell
saying
etiquette.
you wouldn't have been able to figure it out yourself.
Sir, I would have been figure it out by myself, sir, but it would have taken a lot of time as it used to take. Like four attempts, I already lost my four attempts earlier because of sir. There was also certain kinds of not clarity was there. There was not much clarity about the preparation, what actually SSB demands. So there was earlier there was not clarity, But after that I took coaching. A clarity came into my mind, like what they are actually looking for.
What are we looking for?
Sir, they are looking for the right kind of personality, and on the basis of
What do you mean by
certain
right kind of personality?
sir, based on the right kind of personality based on officer like qualities. So there
Okay,
are
so
15 sets of officer like qualities,
can you recall all
and
of
which,
them?
yes sir, I can.
Tell me.
Sir, there are four factors. So in the first factor, there is planning and organizing. In planning and organizing, there are effective intelligence, reasoning ability, organizing ability, power of expression. In factor two, that is social adjustment, there is social adaptability, cooperation, and sense of responsibility. In factor three, there is social effectiveness. So the first quality of factor three is initiative, then self-confidence, stamina, speed of decision, ability to influence the group, liveliness. And the fourth factor is dynamic. And in that very factor, the qualities are determination, courage, stamina. That's all, sir.
Okay, so give me a few examples of each of these qualities from your life.
Okay, sir. Like, sir, for effective intelligence, my parents give me a number of tasks, like, sorry, sir. Like last year, I did, like I took a number of responsibilities in my sister's marriage. Like I organized a number of things. Like I booked confectioners for the marriage ceremony. I booked the tent man, the persons who,
Get to the point.
sorry, sir.
Get to the point. Get to the point.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. So I organized all those things, and in that very one event happened. Like there was shortage of food before the barat was arriving. So I utilized my intelligence. Like many people around me were panicking, but I made them calm. I just went to the confectioner, and as a person like does in that very situation, I just scolded them a bit, and then after I asked them what can be done right now. And I also asked them that there was two food items, like pulao and rasgulla was that was in shortage. So I asked them what is the time, what will it take for pulao to be cooked. They told me that this very time. Then after I went with my friends, I brought those all materials, and I bought the rasgulla from the
So
main
tell me where exactly is the effective intelligence in this example?
sir. Yes, sir. Effective intelligence is like the persons who are panicking around me, like my relatives. I just made them calm, and at the same time, sir, I asked the confectioner that what time it will take.
Hmm.
So
Okay, but then you
he
also
give
scolded him. So don't you think it's mannerless?
no, sir. I don't think, sir, because it was his mistake, sir. And for mistakes, you need to scold, or make another thing so that they can reform themselves from the next time. Because,
Okay.
sir, because it was their mistake, sir. I realized, and all persons were talking the same thing.
Okay. Okay. Next quality.
Sir, another one is reasoning ability. So talking about reasoning ability, sir, like whatever I do, like uh, to be uh, to be let me think, sir, for this very quality. Can I take
Okay.
time?
Sure. Sure. Sure.
Like, sir, for related with my personal life, like I took the decision to pursue my masters from Jawaharlal Nehru University. So initially, sir, like I committed a mistake by not getting into the like high quality, like high level institutions like Delhi universities or Jawaharlal Nehru University. So I took admission in my college in my village itself, and in that very like at that very time I committed the mistake. So this time
Why?
I
Why did you commit this mistake?
Sir, I committed the mistake in the sense, sir, like the classes don't held regularly there, because we students don't like students like me and others. They don't just go to class regularly. So this is the reason, like classes don't held regularly, and that's why the kind of quality of education which I could have got,
Hmm.
I didn't get that. So this was the reason, sir.
This was a mistake. So,
Yes, sir.
okay, when did you realize this particular thing?
Sir, particularly I realized it when I was studying at the last of my second year in
Okay.
2019. Yes, sir, in late 2019.
Late 2019. And what did you do to fix this?
Sir, at that very time, sir, I talked with my professors, my teachers, my principal in the college, and they suggested me that when you will bring like 20 students at least regularly, then after we can continue, we will be able to continue, because teaching less students is not a rational thing which we can do. So they asked me to bring 20 students. I convinced my friends actually, but the number was not that enough, because there were students from many other villages also. That's why I tried to fix it, sir, but unfortunately I was not able to gather that much students.
Okay. So then classes are not held regularly then.
Yes, sir, classes didn't held regularly.
So where is the example of reasoning ability that you were giving me?
Sir, the reasoning ability in that very sense, like I applied that, okay, what was to happen has happened. Now how can I fix it?
But still
So
you
I gave a
failed.
reason to. Sir, yes, sir, I failed, sir. I agree that I failed. But yes, sir, again, I didn't give up. I just kept on trying. Like, what are the other things I thought that I can do? Like, I can motivate my juniors in my village to take admission to higher institutions like Banaras Hindu University, Delhi University, etc., so that they can set an example before other candidates. That they like there is the major reason behind the students not going there regularly, sir. The major reason is that they feel that there is no need for going to college, and they just focus on preparing for general examination like railways, SSC, banking.
Okay.
And there is a there is a change of attitude which is required there. That's why I just started after that to motivate like my juniors to get enrolled to higher institutions, so that they can set an example before the locals nearby, so that they can also get motivated to get a good quality of education.
Okay.
And when they will get to know that, they will definitely go to the college.
All right. All right. Understood.
And also, sir, I want to add one more point.
Yeah.
Can I,
Yeah.
sir?
Yeah. Yeah. Please go.
Yes, sir. And for myself also, sir, for correcting myself, I decided that okay, uh, like I will also get in, like I will also try for masters in higher universities, like higher level universities like JNU and Delhi University, and which I did, sir. So in
Okay. So
this way, sir, I fixed I fixed
the
my issues.
okay. Okay. So you're telling me that you're doing masters right now.
No, sir, I'm not doing master, sir. I have appeared for the entrance exam of
Okay.
masters in
Okay.
JNU.
So when is the result is out?
No, sir. Right now, the answer key have came, sir, and fortunately, sir, I have performed very well, and I got 70 marks.
Okay. And what is the cutoff?
Sir, the cutoff will be somewhat cutoff. The official cutoff has not released yet, sir. But as the but taking into the mind the toughness of question, the how the questions were tough, the cutoff will be probably around 60 to 65. So
Okay. So
I will
that
be
is
able to clear cutoff.
okay. All right, Rahul. So tell me two questions I have for you, two last questions. So
Okay, sir.
what did you change in your from your sixth attempt to your seventh attempt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and
From sixth.
this
Okay, sir.
yeah, and the second question that I have for you is
Yes, sir.
why did you fail in the in your
In seventh attempt, sir.
yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, talking about the first question. So what was the like after sixth attempt? I analyzed myself. Again, I analyzed myself. I wrote all those things in my diary. The thing there was, as I mentioned earlier, sir, that was nervousness, which played a spoiler sport. I mentioned it clearly, and I started to focus on my OLQs, like developing OLQs. How can I develop OLQs? I started observing my day-to-day activities, and I started that how can I improve this activity in a particular way? How can I be more social, like social guy, social person? So I made a list of all the officer like qualities, and I
Give
started
me
to
two major
like.
qualities that you worked on from your sixth to seventh attempt.
Okay, sir. The first quality, sir, which I worked upon, that was a yes man character. Like I when I observed myself, that there was a yes man attitude inside me.
Okay, so
So
why is
it
it bad?
sir, Sir, sorry, sir.
Why is it bad?
Sir, is it is bad in the sense like, sir, whenever someone will ask you, you just never say they no. Yet, like in that very condition, you will say no. Sorry, sir, I want to like revert back to Hindi to make it clear.
Sure,
Can I?
sure, sure.
सर उस टाइम क्या होता था कि लाइक मतलब मुझे मेरे नीड्स थे। उन नीड्स को मतलब मैं छोड़कर दूसरों को मतलब यस बोल देता था अगर कोई मुझसे पूछता था। सो दिस वाज द मेजर इश्यू सर, and due to which like I was harming my activities and all. So this
Okay,
thing was needed to be filtered out this. So I worked upon this. And also sir, I want to quote Sam Manekshaw point. Like he said upon yes man attitude, like the person who has the yes man attitude, he won't be able to become a good leader, because he will not be able to take decisions boldly because of that.
okay, okay. And the second quality?
Yes sir, the second quality which I worked upon, sir, that was increasing my social activities
Okay,
in my village.
how?
Sir, like I started to be more social. I started to like go with my friends more often, like every day. I started to play regularly with them, and also I started to discuss, like get into discussions with my seniors on various like village issues or anything. And in this way I also started to participate whenever any activity of village took place. And in this way I started to get more social, and I worked upon this and I imbibed it.
Okay, all right, understood. And so, coming on to the second question that I asked you.
Yes, sir. In the very seventh like attempt, what I realized, sir, that in the group discussion, my participation was not up to the mark.
Why?
And, sir, that was the assertiveness. And by that time, sir, I was not aware of assertiveness quality.
But
Like
you
I was
mentioned that after the third attempt, you realized that
no,
you had lack of assertiveness, which you worked
sir,
upon right
no, sir.
after the third attempt.
Sir, in particularly, sir, I didn't mention that as far as I recall. I mentioned it like, sir, I was talking about the next, like next all four attempts. Like after like seventh attempt, what I worked upon, I was talking about that very thing.
Okay, okay,
So what I realized, sir, that in the group discussion I was not able to participate. I was not able to present myself in a well manner. That was what was required, and that was due to lack of assertiveness. And the same thing
then how did
happened
you
in,
clear screening?
sir, in a screening, sir. What I did, like I had the positive attitude. I took like last time what happened with me, I was nervous. So I was very clear about it that I had to not get nervous. What will happen, let it happen. What
But
is in
then
my hand,
again the same situation presents itself in front of you, and then you screw up
I
again.
no sir, I sorry sir, I didn't
After
get the meaning
screening,
of
after
I
screening, you get
yes
into
sir,
the group discussion again throughout the
yes
course
sir,
of the SSB, right?
yes
And
sir,
the same, or rather, I should say, similar, very similar
yes sir.
situation presented itself in front of you, and there you again screwed up.
No sir, sorry sir, I didn't get the meaning of a screw up. Could you please tell?
That is what you're conveying to me, right? That GD was the major factor in you not being recommended,
No
right?
sir, but
So
yes
participation
sir.
in GD, right? And
Right. Yes, sir. I got your point, sir. But in the group discussion, sir, at that very time, since the group discussion goes on for a short period of time, I I was pretty sure that I have to tell my point. So at that very time, sir, I gave my points. But since the GD in the second stage lasts for more period of time, so
by
I
these
was
are all sounding like excuses, Rahul, to me, very frankly. Okay, so तुम्हें भाई ABCD अल्फाबेट्स अगर पूछे जा रहे हैं,
yes, sir.
ए से लेके जेड तक तुमसे पूछा गया सीधे ऑर्डर में, तो तुमने सही बता दिया. जेड से लेके उल्टा पूछा गया तो तुम खेल जाओगे उसमें. तुम ये तो
Sir,
हो रहा है.
but
दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, राइट? इफ द जस्ट
yes,
द
sir.
फॉर्मेट ऑफ द गेम चेंज्ड एंड यू कुकड अप अ
Yes, sir.
डिजास्टर.
No, sir, I agree with you, sir. But the same, like I was able to perform at that very time. But what I realized that there were a certain a set of activities, sir, in GTO part. Like there are total of 9 activities, and like there is PGT also. So in that very PGT and all, I just came to realize that there was a common thing which was happening with me, that I wanted to participate, but I was not able to participate, and that was happening due to lack of
Why?
assertiveness.
Okay. Lack of assertiveness is what you're
Yes, sir.
telling me. So, acha. Okay. And we've talked about how you worked on assertiveness.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So, how do you feel this about this attempt? How
Sir, I feel,
confident do
sir,
you
that
feel?
Sir, I feel, sir, that I have overcome the assertiveness. Sorry, sir. I have developed the assertiveness, imbibed the assertiveness inside me, and also, sir, I have performed, practiced a number of group discussions with my friends and other SSB fellows. So I feel, sir, I feel very confident, and whatever areas which I lagged upon, I worked upon them very well, sir, and I feel that I will be able to make this time.
Okay. All right, Rahul. So, with that, let us end the interview at this point. Okay. So, I hope. Okay. What's your feedback? How did you feel regarding this interview?
सॉरी भैया. अब
Okay.
मैं क्या बोलूँ भैया, मतलब कुछ पॉइंट्स तो थे जहाँ पे मतलब मैंने थोड़ा-सा खुद को क्लियर नहीं कर पाया मैं,
Hmm.
तो वो तो मुझे लगा। और बाकी आप बताओ भैया?
There are a couple of things. जैसे चल ठीक है. These see inferiority complex,
भैया वो
introverted
मुझे लगा
introversion.
भैया कि मतलब सही टर्म वो मैंने सेलेक्ट नहीं किया मतलब उसको बोलने के लिए।
Hmm. It's okay. So all these things ना they will create problems for you as well, right?
यस भैया, आई एग्री विद यू भैया कंप्लीटली। ऐसे ही करके
However,
पूछ
however, they can also be used strategically, right? Sometimes what happens is the interviewer might not seem to be interested in your responses. So
हुँ, हुँ।
what you can do is you can utilize it to like bring out your true qualities, right? Sorry, or true negatives, as I would like to put it.
सॉरी भैया, ट्रू?
True negatives, right? Because usually candidates they don't do this.
ट्रू नेगेटिव्स?
True negatives.
व्हाट इज़ इट भैया, लाइक नेगेटिव क्वालिटीज़ यू आर
Yes,
टॉकिंग अबाउट?
yes.
ओके, ओके।
So once those come out, na, the interviewer he suddenly might get interested in your, and thereafter if you worked on it, then you can sail through well, right?
हुँ,
So,
हुँ।
however, it's a double-edged sword. It has to be utilized in very with lot of caution. If you're feeling you won't be able to defend this particular quality, right? So, like I feel more or less you did justice to every situation that I put you in. However, there were some places where you were a little unclear and a little like you were not hitting the mark. So
लाइक
that is
भैया, लाइक?
like I was asking you how did you overcome inferiority complex, and you said कि sir meditation करके, and अब
भैया
भाई
रियलिटी दैट अच्छा,
मेरी
अच्छा
बात
बोलिए भैया।
समझो, मेरी बात समझो. inferiority complex के core पे क्या है? Hesitation, right? Communication
हेजिटेशन।
skills. So bloody work on, you tell him that you
Yes,
worked on
yes, भैया,
communication
that
skills.
is what point I didn't mention. That was
Yes,
supposed to be mentioned. Yes, भैया।
and I asked you this question three times. That's why
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
what
I
I was
agree,
trying to
भैया,
get
I
out of
agree.
you, right?
Like I was emphasizing more on quality part, and I was not emphasizing what I worked actually upon, like on communication skills. What I did for communication skills.
Exactly,
That is what a mistake I committed. Yes, भैया, I
exactly. The
agree.
actionable things,
Yes,
right?
भैया.
That is so. That's also fine. I was just like I just trying to get that out of you. I was to test your awareness, maybe, or whatever you want to call it.
अच्छा, अब
Not a
भैया
big
मतलब
deal,
इसको
but
क्या?
yes, it can be utilized to create stress on you during
ओके,
the
यस
course of
भैया.
the interview. Yeah, bolo.
सो लाइक इसको क्या बोले भैया? इसको हेजिटेशन डायरेक्ट बोले क्या?
Hesitation
ये
बोल
जो
सकते हो, lighter word. Just
हेजिटेशन ही बोलते हैं, यस भैया.
one more thing is that assertiveness is popping up a lot in the interview. So
सॉरी
at
भैया.
least if I count the number of times you uttered the word assertiveness, it
यस
must have
भैया.
been in the count of 30s plus.
आई एग्री
Okay,
भैया.
and same goes for like and
सॉरी भैया.
Same goes for like and.
ओके, आई
These are
एग्री
these are
भैया.
these are called redundant words, right?
ओके भैया.
So try to reduce their number, because see, whenever you're expressing something, so if you stuff it with, rather than information, if you start stuffing it with useless or redundant words, so you lose the whole beauty of whatever you're trying to communicate,
Convey,
right? The
yeah, yeah,
flow
मैं
is
get it.
lost.
Okay भैया.
So try to reduce, don't no need to stress over it too much, but try to just reduce it. Okay,
Okay भैया.
so these couple of things, and I think yeah, so uh, okay, what are your feedback regarding, if you have any for me? So what other point of view could I have taken?
सर भैया मतलब ये तो सही था भैया. लाइक मतलब फैमिली मेंबर था, ये सब सारे तो नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन है, मतलब ये इजीली आंसरेबल है, मतलब कर किया जा सकता है इजीली.
Hmm.
और ये सब जो था जैसे क्वालिटी से रिलेटेड क्या इंप्रूवमेंट्स किए आपने, कॉन्फ्रेंस
What
आउट वालों
what
से तो.
my question is, what could I have done better?
या भैया आई एम गेटिंग योर पॉइंट भैया, बट आई थिंक दैट दैट वाज वेरी गुड भैया.
And nothing else. Okay, chalo,
एंड
I'm
अपार्ट फ्रॉम
glad.
दिस आई डोंट थिंक सो सर भाई, मतलब भैया कि मतलब एनीथिंग एल्स वाज सपोज्ड, या देयर आर मेनी
Yeah.
क्वेश्चंस व्हिच कैन बी आस्क्ड भैया, देयर आर
Hmm.
मेनी क्वेश्चंस व्हिच कैन बी आस्क्ड, बट यस व्हाइल लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर इंटरव्यू सेशन, दिस वाज वेरी फाइन आई
Okay,
थिंक.
chalo. I hope you do well in the interview. So I think let's end this here.
ओके भैया, और जैसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस जैसे मतलब क्या और कैसे इंप्रूवमेंट की जा सकती है भैया, मतलब ये सही रहेगा इतना कि और मतलब और किसी और चीज पे वर्क करने की जरूरत है अभी.
See, देख, एक चीज होती है which is called working too much on the interview.